Now we are home. So, okay. Now that we are officially married, I can't wait for you to show me everything that I've been missing.
I found something.
You have to call me by my new name now.
My husband, my love.
Guys,
my princess.
Your Majesty.
I want you.
But my princess, we just got married.
I do not remember speaking to you.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Do not keep me waiting.
Hassan, please don't go. Please don't go. Please. Hassan, don't go, please. Don't go. No, Hassan, please.
Come here.
Afam! Afam!
Hello, Chuku. Your wine never disappoints.
I'm glad you like it, your Highness. Let me refill for you.
No. I don't want to rush it. Please keep it.
Okay.
Hey! Wow.
Will the princess be joining us?
Don't tell me the princess is the reason you have been bringing me this special wine.
No. No,
you don't even need to explain anything. Don't explain. I'm only teasing you. The princess will not be joining us. She went on a stroll. I can see you cannot wait for her to become your wife. Young men and impatience. But who am I to judge? After all, I was once like that.
I haven't seen the princess in a while, so I just wanted to be sure she's okay.
She's okay. She is. Okay. Thank you so much. After, you take the remaining, so you finish it up.
Yes, your Highness.
Oh, Akwam, you're welcome.
Thank you for that. You summoned me.
Yes, I did.
Leave us.
You miss Taylor?
Really? Oh, I hope this is as good as the last one he brought.
Why not test and see for yourself?
Sure.
Yeah. No, it's okay.
Okay.
Better, isn't it?
Yes, Father, it is.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Where were you?
I went for a walk.
Ah,
Yes.
that must be a very long walk. You trekked to the next village?
Father, no, I did not.
Elochukwu is becoming impatient and cannot wait to have you as a wife.
No. He is not becoming impatient. He is scared.
Scared? Scared of what?
Father, I am a princess. The heir to the throne of Amachala. Yes, he is from a good family. But he is not my equal. And he knows it.
I don't like the sound of that. You know why it must be him.
I do not have a problem with the arrangements, Father. But I don't have time to always massage his low self-esteem.
Stop it. I will go. Stop that. You don't talk like that about your future husband. You know the wars have ears, and the last thing you will want is for anybody to disrespect your own husband. Mind you, he's going to be a king.
King consort.
You are too headstrong for a woman.
I am my father's daughter.
Ola, I'm not in the mood.
It's our wedding day, Afam.
I don't longer have strength in me. I'm tired. I'm tired. You saw what happened earlier.
Trust me, I don't want to talk about what happened earlier. But you're still my husband. And I'll be damned if I let that wicked princess take you away from me.
My beautiful wife. Nobody's going to take me away from you. Everybody in the village knows that she doesn't sleep with the same man twice.
How do you know that?
People have been talking. I didn't want to believe them, but
But Afam, this is not right. It's unacceptable. I mean, she can't keep treating people like cattle and no one does nothing about it.
my love, she is the princess. And one day she will be queen.
But that doesn't mean we should keep quiet.
There's no need fighting a lost battle. You just have to let it go.
But Afam, this is not fair.
It's okay. Okay? I promise. Tomorrow I'll make it up to you. Just allow me to rest tonight.
Fine. The only reason I'm agreeing to this is because I do not want to test her on your lips.
Thank you. Come on, lay down.
My princess, your hips.
What is on the table? Is it still hot?
Scorching, my princess.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you.
Oh, Mama,
Yes, my princess.
did you pick these herbs yourself?
Yes, my princess.
And you made it the way my old maid taught you?
Yes, my princess.
Good. You see, my old maid Norma was the woman that raised me. She understood life. She told me that if a royal king or prince has a bastard, it's not a problem. But when it's a princess, you have so much explaining to do. And if there is one thing I hate more than being female, it's having to explain myself. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, my princess.
My herbs must be made with utmost care. It has to be strong and effective.
It is, my princess. It will be effective.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my princess.
You may leave.
Thank you, my princess. Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, my daughter.
Thank you for granting me audience.
You're welcome. And what can I do for you?
I regret to bring you this foul news, but I do not have a choice, Your Highness. It's about the princess, Your Highness. She came to my husband's compound the day of our wedding and demanded an audience with him alone.
But there's nothing wrong with her demanding for an audience, a private audience with her subject. Or do you think so?
She did that, Your Highness, so she could sleep with him.
What?
Yes, Your Highness, what I say is true.
Were you there when it happened? I mean, did you see them?
I was sitting outside the hut with her guards and maids.
I'm asking, you saw them with your eyes?
I didn't need to see them, Your Highness. The sounds were disturbing enough.
How do you know the sound of lovemaking? I assume you got married a virgin.
She did it, Your Highness, and she must not go unpunished.
How dare you tell me what to do?
Forgive me, Your Highness. Forgive my insolence. I'm very sorry. I let my emotions take the better part of me. Please forgive me.
It's all right. Rise.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
It's okay. I've had you. I will investigate your complaint. And if my daughter is found guilty, I will make sure she receives the maximum punishment.
Thank you, Your Highness. You are indeed the great lion of Amachala. May you live long.
Thank you, my dear. You may rise.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You can go now.
My princess, I can't believe you're here.
Well, I'm here.
Okay, so what should I get for you? Should I get you wine, meat, or anything?
No, don't worry, I'm fine. I already had enough.
Okay, I just want to make sure that you're fine.
I know. Thank you.
So how have you been? That's a very stupid question to ask. You're glowing. And I must confess that each time I see you, you look more radiant.
Are you sure? Well, as it should be.
Yes, very true.
How about you? How have you been? My father told me that you were at the palace some days ago.
Yes, I brought in some freshly tapped wine and I was hoping to see you, but you were not around.
You know that you do not need an excuse to see me. My father already given us his blessings. I mean, he is the one that appreciated all of us.
I know. But you're still a princess and sometimes I didn't know how to act on matters that concern you.
I understand. You know, why don't we take this inside? We need some privacy. Don't you think so?
Oh, that kind of privacy.
Yes. It's kind of privacy.
My princess, forgive me for being old-fashioned, but I do not think that would be correct. No, I am not saying I do not want you, I am not rejecting you. What I'm saying is, I do not want us to do something that would anger the king, knowing full well that we are getting married soon. Do you understand? Please understand. Do you understand? Understanding. So tell me, what has been going on? How have you been? See. Apugo.
Greetings, sir.
Greetings.
Greetings, ma'am. How are you doing?
Apugo, why is your face like this? What happened between you and Elochukwu? Tell me.
You went to see that boy. Akwam, why? Have you forgotten who you are? You are royalty. My king, she should not be seen as wanting this marriage more than he does. He should be the one visiting her, not the other way around.
It's okay, Ojugo.
It is not okay, my king. It is bad enough that she has to marry someone that is not a prince, my king.
So you mean we should have married her out to one of the royal vultures around the neighboring village whose interest is my throne and the wealth of our kingdom? Is that what you mean?
Okay. Now I understand why you took such difficult decision.
I am glad you do. Ahugo, what exactly is your problem? Tell me.
Nothing, father. It's just the stress from the long walk.
It's all right. You can go when you have rested. I want to see you.
Okay, father.
I know very well that this girl is fierce. You don't have to hand over this way. You don't have to.
My princess, you sent for me.
Take off your clothes.
I'm sorry, princess.
Are you deaf?
You are better now.
Yes, Father.
I'm glad to hear that. There is this lady that came here some days ago. Her name is Olama. Do you know her?
No.
You may not know her, but she knows you very well.
Who is this Olama and what does she want?
You see, Akwam, you will be queen one day. And if you cannot be loved, you must ensure that you are respected. Remember, there is a big difference between fear and respect.
She had no right to come here and tell lies about me.
How do you know what she said when I have not mentioned it? See, Ahugo, you don't have to go about making enemies.
Father, are you going to believe that stranger over your daughter?
What I'm saying is that you will benefit from ensuring that such a report is not brought to me again. If she should be bold enough to come to me and say it, imagine how many other people she must have gone to and said the same thing. Ahugo. Please, Akwam, you must learn to put our family name and this kingdom first. I want you to promise me. Say it loud.
I promise.
Good.
Adam. Nwamulo ya namu. Hey! All this? Child. Thank you. Thank you, Nwamo Arizegi. Thank you for being such a blessing to me. Ever since we lost your father, you have made sure to wipe away tears and shame from my face. The gods of our land will keep protecting you. The gods of our land will keep blessing you.
Mama, it's okay. Eh? Why do you keep praising me for doing my duty?
I have to. Nem, I have to. Because I see other maidens in this village, even the ones that are older than you. I know what they do.
Mama.
They don't take care of their parents. They only take care of themselves.
Mama, how do you know all these young maidens in this big village? Tell me.
At least the ones I know, I see them. No. Hey,
Mama, it's okay. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hey, Mama. How is Ndubisi? Is he getting any better?
He sleeps all day. He hardly walks around. What would I have done if we were not here to help us? Because I hardly go to the farm these days. I have to go there and help him. I have to take care of him at the Dibia's place.
Nemo, don't worry.
Hey.
All will be well. Go. Let's keep on hoping on the gods, okay? Everything will be fine. It's fine.
Thank you. Thank you for being a good daughter.
Father, please. Okay, I will tell you. Father, he is not man enough. Yes?
Your Highness, you're welcome. You may rise.
Your Highness, sorry for coming to your place this late. Just that we cannot wait to share our exciting news. Your Highness, I've seen a maiden I want to marry.
So, there's to be a wedding?
Yes, Your Highness. And that's why we've come to. That's why we've come for you to bless our union.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You see, it is always a thing of great joy.
My princess, you just walked on me like a horse. I never knew that women have the strength and stamina like you just used on me. I don't feel I can forget tonight in a hurry. In fact, my princess, are you sure you want to leave? My princess, are you sure you actually want to go?
I want to go.
Okay. So, when am I going to see you again?
I do not eat the same meal twice.
What does she mean by that? This one enter. Hey!
What a waste of time. What a waste of goodness. He could not even satisfy me. He could not make me feel like a woman. And he had the guts to open his useless mouth and ask me, when can we see again? So that he can gasp and sweat like a fool. That is why I do not sleep with a man.
A princess.
Greetings, Afam.
Greetings, princess.
I need you to do something for me.
Anything for my princess.
Your Highness, I brought your herbs.
And who asked you to do that?
I thought
You thought what? Who put you in the position to tell me what to do?
No, my princess,
Shut up. Shut up, you stupid fool. You think I do not see how you look at me? Judging me. You think I don't know?
My princess,
How dare you? Are you stupid? You know nothing about my life. I do not care how you see me. I do not care what you think of me. But you do not know a single thing about my life. Have I made myself clear?
I'm sorry, my princess. I didn't mean any disrespect.
Shut up. Sorry. Come back here. Drop it. Get out.
Your Highness, you will live long.
Thank you.
As I can see, we have all agreed that they will get married. But the most important thing is that a date for that marriage is supposed to be fixed.
That is true. Yes.
Yes, Your Highness. Akugo is a maiden in her prime. I believe what she needs now is a husband to keep her grounded.
Bam! Is that so?
Yes.
What I mean is, getting into marriage now, it will be a thing of strength to you.
Your Highness, she should start bearing children quickly, because this will be a blessing to the entire community. Especially if she bears a male child that will succeed her.
Good.
Yes, that is true.
But she has not even ascended the throne. And you people are talking about her successor.
No, Your Highness. This is not what we are saying. We mean well.
Yes.
As in Emengwa, Emearodachi.
Your Highness, like what he said now. Okay, no.
Oh, yeah.
We are here to point out to you that it is even better for the princess to get married. Yes, that is why we are here.
Yes, that is true. But
It's all right. I've heard you. I will put all your suggestions into consideration. Thank you.
thank
you will live long. You will live long.
You know, I was saying it before.
How can you look me in the eye and lie to me?
What is the meaning of this madness, Solomon? I have told you there's nothing going on between the both of us.
Oh yeah, see, you are a liar. You are a liar. If there is nothing going on between you two, why do you call her name when you sleep? And even when we're making love? Afam, I can't take this anymore. I can no longer take this. Ever since that Thursday she set foot in this compound, she has been the ghost haunting our marriage. I'm tired. I can't take it anymore. What did I do? What did I do to deserve her stealing you away from me?
Solomon, nobody is stealing me away from you.
Then why can't you get her off your head?
I'm trying.
You're trying?
Yes.
She bewitched you? Is that it?
I don't think so. No.
Am I not good enough for you anymore? What is going on? Why do you still yearn for her? Don't touch me!
What do you really want? What do you want from me? Huh?
I came as soon as I could, Your Highness.
Thank you, Elochukwu, my son. I know you'll be wondering why I summoned you.
Yes, Your Highness.
I want us to choose a day for your marriage with my daughter.
Yes.
I know you are an orphan, but I want you to discuss with the remaining of your family members to decide on a day.
Thank you so much, Your Highness. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, Your Highness.
It's okay. It's okay.
Wakigo, I'm tired. I don't know what to believe anymore.
My friend, you just have to believe your husband. If you keep fighting like this, she's just going to win.
It's hard not to fight when he always has this look on his face every time he says her name. It hurts so bad.
I know more than you think.
Don't tell me.
It happened to me too when I took Dimpa to the palace for the king's blessings.
That was the same place that witch saw her for Mifula. We need to inform the other maidens so they don't make the same mistake we made.
And it can't happen because that's the tradition. It won't stop.
The king promised he was going to investigate. If it happened to you too, that means he did nothing.
Wait, did you tell the king?
I did.
And you expect him, the king, to choose you over his only child?
Wakigo, he's the king. He owes us justice.
You sound like a child. Look, you just have to make peace with your husband, my friend. And stop fighting him. It is not his fault.
I will if I feel he's on my side. He needs to make an effort too.
I understand, my friend.
Honestly, I don't know, I'm tired.
You just have to take it like that.
Akirika!
Hello, one name. This one you are happy like this, smiling from ear to ear. Where are you coming from?
I went to see my in-laws.
Oh, you mean you are coming from the palace?
Bam!
Hello, don't tell me you are still trying to marry the princess.
Okay. We are about to set a date for our wedding. And as I'm trying. One day is about to become a reality. Okay. Why are you squeezing your face like that of a pregnant woman in labor?
Hello, are you still living in this village with us?
What sort of question is that? Of course I am.
You mean you have not heard about the princess escapades, her waywardness, everything she has been doing with married and non-married?
How dare you? What is your problem? How dare you spew such lies about the princess and the soon-to-be queen of our land? Have you lost it? Or have the gossip cost you?
Oh. Is that why you are pretending to be blind because you want to be the next Igwe?
That is enough, Akirika.
I'm trying to help you. I'm your friend.
I will leave you here before I do something I'll regret.
Hello, better listen, oh. I'm your friend, though. Hey, okay. I'm so bad.
My princess.
What are you doing here?
My princess, I came to escort you to...
That won't be necessary. I have more than I need here.
But my princess...
Do not make me repeat myself.
Okay, my princess.
Enough.
Princess.
Since when? Since when do you greet me like we are equals?
Not equals. I figured that we have gone past the bowing and the carry.
How dare you?
I'm sorry if I spoke out of line.
You do not seem surprised to see me.
I'm not.
So you know why I'm here.
I can guess.
Greetings.
Good day.
Can you please tell the princess that I'm here to see her?
Oh, the princess is not in the palace now. You missed her.
Do you know where she went to? Oh, and I really need to see her. Is it okay if I wait here for her?
I don't think that's a good idea, because she might take long.
I don't mind. I can wait.
Okay, let me get you a seat then.
Thank you.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
You can sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, do you need anything to eat or drink? Because you look tasty.
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. If you need anything, just tell the guards to fetch me, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Who will I tell them?
Uloma. My name is Uloma.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
This will not happen again.
Okay.
What do you mean, okay? I do not sleep with a man twice.
Oh. Okay.
I don't even know where I came here.
Afam, you promised me. This cannot continue to happen.
Ola, calm down.
I want you to listen attentively to what I'm about to say to you right now. You are my wife, and I love you. Deep in my heart, I know that you don't like what is going on between me and Akugo. But we can use it to our advantage.
What are you talking about?
We can use it to advance our lives. Get a place in the palace. Get farmlands, businesses. And all we have to do is negotiate our terms with her.
And with what would we negotiate? You? Afam, over my dead body, will I really share you with that witch?
Olama, you're being unreasonable right now. You and I know that she's going to come back. And when she returns, who is going to stop her? You?
Afam, I don't know. But we can try. We can leave this village, go to another village, start a new life.
Don't be ridiculous. Woman, don't be ridiculous. Olama, our life is here. We belong here.
That is because you want to continue sleeping with her, don't you?
I'm going to end this discussion here. Because I can see that you're not being reasonable right now.
You're still here.
I told you I need to see her.
You should have gone and come back tomorrow.
No, I have waited long enough. I wouldn't want to leave and she will return.
Okay, if you insist.
I do.
Alright, I'll get you something to eat.
Oh no,
No. I don't want to hear it. If you must stay, then you must eat something. I know you've been here for hours and you must be hungry. Okay?
Thank you.
Come.
Thank you. I will eat.
Eat, I know. I just want to make sure that you eat.
Okay. See?
Yeah, eat more.
You're very persistent.
I am. Okay, I'll come back for the plates later. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is it about him that has got me acting this way? Out of all the men I've been with, no one has been able to make me feel the way he does. He makes me feel so alive. He is the only one that matches my passion.
My princess, the food and the herb you requested for is ready.
He's such a strong, handsome man with a body sculpted by the gods. And he knows how to use what he has been given.
My princess, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The food and the herb you requested for.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My princess, is there any other thing you want me to do for you?
No.
Okay. My princess, Eluchku came here to see you. He said he had something important to discuss with you.
Why was he talking to you?
No, he wasn't. I happened to be the one he met when he came.
You can go.
Thank you, my princess.
You can't go into the hut.
Says who? Who said that in this house? This is my home. What is it? This is... Eh?
Behave yourself, woman. Don't make me use force on you.
What is this? What is this? Who sent you? Where is my husband? Ejiofor! Ejiofor! I know you're in there with the princess. Ejiofor, come out! Ejiofor, Kebindo! Ejiofor! Ejiofor, come out! I know you are with the princess. Ejiofor, come out! Ejiofor! Kebindo, come out! Ejiofor! Ejiofor!
I know my wife doesn't believe me. I did not do anything, Your Highness. She was the one that came on to me.
Your Highness, we are pleading for your intervention. Please let the princess leave my husband. I don't want to lose him.
Ejiofor,
Your Highness.
are you not ashamed to say that a little girl like Ahugo came to a grown man like you?
She did, my king.
Shut up and stop embarrassing yourself any further. Even your wife doesn't believe you.
Igwe, help us beg Akubo. Help us beg the princess. Let her visit be one-time thing. We are begging, we are pleading, and I promise, I won't breathe a word of it to anyone.
Were you planning to tell people?
No, I wouldn't dare. I won't.
My daughter Hugo deeply understands her duty and honor. And wouldn't have done any of these things. Maybe just a misunderstanding. But in any case, I will talk to her. And that's a promise as your king.
Thank you, Your Highness. I know you are too kind and fair. May you live long, Your Highness.
It's all right. You may rise.
It is everywhere. That's what's on everybody's lips in this village. Ebe ọbụla ije ọ na-arịọ, ije n'ahịa, ije n'ebe ọbụla, ijebe a na-echu mmiri, ebe ọbụla ezinụzọ ọ na-arịọ. That the princess sleeps around. Etu, ọ na-epiogharị. Ọ dị na nwoke nke tata, echi ọ dị na Okafọ, nwanne echi ọ dị na Okeke. Hey! Mba! Bịa. Tell me it is not true.
Mama, Biko, I came here to check up on you and my brother, not to discuss about the princess,
Yeah, n'eziokwu no.
Mama, I did not say anything. Biko, you don't hear me say anything.
But you did not say it is not true. Hey! Gods of our land. How can this be happening? How can the heir to the throne be committing this abomination? Mbakwa!
Mamoloma, you know the reason you are saying this thing is because Akugo is a woman. If she were to be a man, hope you know that nobody, I mean no one, will bat an eye.
Ashiocha. What are you telling me? Agana ozo. What is bad, regardless the gender. In Ania. And why I'm asking you is not because I want to gossip. Come on, I want to be sure that you are not badly influenced in that place.
Mama. Mama Rozokwam kisi ekwotu you are talking as if you don't know the daughter that you raised.
Ashikwamo. I know the daughter that I raised. You suckled these two breasts and I trust you. I know you will never forget your values.
Mama, speaking of values, please, Ijim Chukwu Ayogi, I beg you in the name of the gods. I've not confirmed any of these things that you said. So you see this conversation, let it end here. Between us, Munagi. No. Mama.
Oh no. Onum, Pichikom.
Okay, Mama. Please, what did you cook?
Abacha de. Abacha na zumpo.
Mamuloma.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, Elo. Why are you here this early?
I have been coming to see you, but you're barely at home, so I decided to come earlier to see you before you leave the palace.
What you want to discuss must be very important.
Yes, it is.
Sit.
Thank you. Akwam, please do not take what I'm about to ask you seriously. I'm only trying to ascertain what the truth is, knowing that you won't lie to me. There is this rumor flying around town that you are sleeping with numerous men, married men inclusive. I know this is a malicious lie.
Then why are you asking when you know that it is not true?
Akwam, is because I am troubled. And the only thing that can calm my spirit is if you tell me that it's not true.
Of course it is not true. It's not. Listen, Elo. We are going to get married soon. You will be the next king. Not everyone will be happy with you. Don't you think so? Listen, Elo. All of these people spreading these malicious lies, like you called it, are the people jealous of what we share. They are not happy. They do not like the fact that I chose you out of the men in this village. They don't like it. That is why.
I knew there was nothing to worry about.
Absolutely nothing to worry about.
And thank you for being very honest with me.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I will leave you now. I need to go and check on my wine.
It's okay. Go well.
Thank you.
And what are you doing?
My husband is not here. Please leave me in peace.
Get out of my way.
Please, Your Highness. You can't keep doing this. I've told you he's not here.
If you do not get out of my way, I will order my guards to flog you until you bleed. Get out. It took you long enough to appear.
Where is Akugo? Have you seen her?
I thought she's with you.
I told Akugo that I have some delegates coming and how important it is for her to be by my side. And she agreed, only for her to sneak out at the nick of time.
Please calm down, my king. Please.
Akugo is beginning to get on my nerves. Why can't she do as she's told for once?
Nai, I keep on saying this, but you always support her. Akugo is very stubborn. You need to do something.
Did she say anything to you? I've noticed she's barely around these days.
Your Highness, you know, she doesn't confide in me. And if there's anyone she will tell her secret, is you, not me. And she do not. Now I believe there is a problem. There is. Yes.
It's okay.
Can I ask you something?
Ask me what?
Why do you keep coming back? You told me that you don't sleep with the same man twice. But you have been with me multiple times.
It's my rule. I made it. And I can break it.
That doesn't answer my question.
You have what I want.
I see. My wife, she's growing restless about this whole thing. And I'm afraid she doesn't understand the consequences of her actions.
Make her understand. Else, I will.
I will need your help with that.
How do you mean?
Make this beneficial to us. Make her see that she stands to gain something if she cooperates.
What a bargain. You know, I underestimated you.
You can think about it.
I'll consider.
Thank you.
Yeah.
May the gods bless you.
Thank you.
Hello, Mom. Please, can you get a seat? I want to talk to you about something. The question I want to ask you might be hard for you to answer, but I want you to tell me the truth. Where does the princess always go? And why don't you go with her?
I don't know where she goes to. That's the truth. Maybe she doesn't go with me because she does not want me to know what she's up to. And honestly speaking, I prefer it this way.
Why?
Why what?
Why do you prefer it that way? Tell me.
See, please, I've said enough, okay? I was doing something in the kitchen, so I'll just return.
Ahugo,
Father,
where did you go yesterday? And where are you coming from now?
I went out.
For a stroll, right? Ahugo,
Father.
why do you find it difficult to adhere to any simple instruction? Why?
Father, why are you shouting at me now? What did I do wrong?
You did something. I told you some delegates were coming yesterday.
Oh. What was I thinking? I totally forgot. I'm sorry, Father. I didn't mean to be absent. I'm sorry, please.
Ahugo,
Father.
you will be in charge of this kingdom someday. You need to do better.
Of course I will. I will do better, I promise. Can I go now?
Elochu was also here. And he came with an exciting message.
Father, please. Can we discuss this tomorrow? Please.
Now I want to know, where are you coming from now? Where have you been all day?
I was just around the village. Nowhere in particular.
You can go.
Thank you, Father. I heard Elojuku was here to see my father.
Yes, my princess. He waited afterward, but he left immediately you came back.
Did something else happen while I was away?
No, my princess.
You can go.
Okay, my princess, would you like me to do anything else for you?
No. I won't be needing the herbs tonight.
Okay, my princess.
You can go.
Your Highness.
Agubata.
Yes, my king. You sent for me.
Yes, I did. Where does my daughter, Ahugo, go to every day?
My king. She goes to sue a man by the name of Ifna.
The same man every day?
Yes, my king.
Now, tell me more about this man.
Afamefuna is a man in the village.
Father, if I had known he would be here, I would have made myself available.
I doubt that. But that's okay. He came here to tell us that his people will be coming to bring wine after the Nche festival.
Wait. Father, the Nche festival is just in 3 months.
Yes, I know it's too far.
No, Father. It's not. I mean, it's too close. I feel...
Go. Enough. You will marry Elochukwu after the Nche festival. That is final.
This one my princess remembered to visit me.
I always remember.
I doubt. I do come to the palace to look for you, but you're never there.
I have been busy.
Busy with what?
Royal duties. I have a kingdom to run.
Isn't that what your father, the king, is supposed to be doing?
Enough of this silly argument. I came here to discuss something important with you.
Okay. I'm listening.
It's about our marriage. My father, the king, said that is in just 3 months away.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I know I should have come with my people earlier, but
It's not that. I am not ready for marriage right now.
Akugo, what are you saying? Okay. How many more days do you need?
24 market days.
What?
Yes. I need to prepare myself for the responsibility of being a wife.
Akugo, we both know there is nothing to prepare for.
You speak for yourself.
What is the problem? You do not want to marry me anymore?
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. Cut the pretense! We both know you have not been fair to me. When was the last time you came here? When was the last time you visited me? Tell me. I will come to the palace to look for you. You will be nowhere to be found. So cut the pretense.
Why should I visit you? Answer me, why? Just take a good look at us. Just look at the way we are seated out here, like children. Just because your honor will not let you entertain me inside. Not now, Elochukwu.
My princess.
I will marry you. But only when I'm ready. I will not be pressured.
My princess. Princess! Akugo!
Good day.
The day cannot be good with you here.
You and your husband have been invited to the palace tomorrow night as the princess royal guest.
Royal guest? Why? To come and do what?
You'll find out when you come.
Well, go back and tell your princess that we are not honoring her invitation.
What? Please, tell the princess that we will honor her invitation. Pardon my wife's manner.
What did you do that for?
We've already talked about this.
And I told you I want nothing to do with that witch.
Watch your mouth, Alama. Watch it! Before you land us both in the palace dungeon.
Afam, what are you afraid of? Are you not a man? Why do you keep letting her push us around? Oh, so it's not enough that she comes here at will to have her way with you? Now you want to go to the palace with your unholy liaison.
Keep quiet, woman! Keep quiet! If you don't want me to go to the palace, then I won't go! But I won't have you make an enemy of the future queen. Then you will go.
What?
Yes. You heard me.
Afam.
I don't want to talk about it.
Afam. Afam.
your husband did not honor my invitation?
He decided it would be best I came alone.
Best for who?
Everyone. He believes it would be inappropriate for you to entertain another woman's husband, even if it's in the palace.
I see your point. A princess should not be entertaining peasants. Who can blame me for being benevolent? What is wrong with your stomach?
Oh, nothing. Nothing is wrong.
Are you a child?
The God has chosen to bless us after facing so many adversities in our marriage.
The gods are kind.
Indeed they are.
Listen carefully to what I am about to tell you. Go to the kitchen.
You're back. So how did you go at the palace?
Not good.
What do you mean not good? Ola, what did you do?
I didn't do anything. You know it was you she wanted to see, not me.
What is it?
I don't know, I've been feeling this pain in my stomach since. Probably nothing.
Ola! What is that?
What is what?
What is going on?
Afam, get the dibia!
Huh?
Get the dibia! Afam, get the dibia!
I'm coming.
Hello.
Hello, ma.
Hello. Good day.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You?
I'm good. Where are you coming from?
Oh, I came to see my mother. I'm heading to the palace now.
How is your mother?
She's fine, thank you. Where are you headed to?
Nowhere in particular.
Okay.
Do you mind if I walk you home? Don't worry, I won't get to the palace. I just want to talk with you. I've missed doing that.
Okay.
Igwe, he killed my husband in a cold blood because he claimed that my husband used his position as the first son to take the fatal part of the family land. Because of that, Igwe, the harvest, his harvest is always better.
Chimo. But it's a lie, Igwe. Igwe, it's a lie. He's been greedy. Look at what greed has cost me. Chimo.
Young man, don't you have anything to say for yourself?
Please, Your Highness. I did not mean to harm my brother. It is this evil woman he married that brought this ill fate to our family.
Did she strike her husband dead or you killed him?
Your Highness, she poisoned the mind of my brother and made him cheated me out of my inheritance. Wait a lie, oh, the land was shared equally. Though he was very younger then, but my husband didn't mind. He's just evil and wicked. You are the evil person. You are the wicked woman.
Silence! My people, Igwe. We know the laws of our land. That whoever spills innocent blood shall die by hanging. Bam.
Igwe, please, Your Highness. Please, I am the only son remaining. Please, Your Highness, please. Please, have mercy.
Guards! Your Highness. Take him away.
Your Highness, please.
Stand up.
Your Highness, please. Please, Your Highness. Your Highness.
Wicked. Woman, may the gods console you in this trying moment. You may go.
Your Highness, I have a question. Are young people no longer getting married to become couples in this kingdom? Or have they stopped coming to seek for your blessing in this palace?
Ichie, but what do you mean? I don't even understand where you are directing to.
Yeah, okay. Igwe. What Ichie is trying to say is that it's been a long time. We had good news in this Council of Elders. It is settling this dispute or the other, and my king, it is tiring.
That is true.
Can't we have good news? Can't we have good news?
It's the job you signed up for when you decided to be an Ichie.
Please, calm down. I can assure you that very soon you will start getting plenty of good news in this kingdom. Right now, a date has already been chosen for my daughter's marriage immediately after the Che festival.
Praise be to the gods.
He say,
Okay. Dibia just left now. He left you some medicine. He said you should take them after you eat. Please. I need you to eat something. I know we lost our child, but you are the only person I have left. I don't want to lose you too. Ola, it's okay. The gods will give us another one. Please. Cheer up. I don't like seeing you like this.
I need to get going now, Elu. They will be wondering what's keeping me.
I know. I just... There is something about you that brings me so much peace. You have a good heart, Tuloma.
You have a good heart too, Elu. And you don't deserve to be treated this way by anybody, not even the princess.
Why do you say that?
Nothing. I mean, I was talking about what you told me about the wedding. How she has been blowing hot and cold.
I know you will never speak ill of the princess, which is one of the reasons I respect you. But the rumors are not just rumors. Most of the people that have come to warn me about the princess knew my parents. They feel like they owe them. They wouldn't lie to me for any reason. The princess says she is not ready to get married to me yet. I am beginning to rethink the whole thing. I don't even think I want to marry her anymore.
Don't say that, Elu. Not when you've given your word to the king.
When I thought I was going to get married to a woman of honor. With what I know now and feel about Princess Akugo, I don't think I can go into that marriage in good conscience.
I can't be here. I need to leave now.
Uloma, what are you afraid of?
I need to go.
Ola, you don't have to leave me like this. You're my wife, and I need you.
I doubt that, Afam.
Even if you have to go, it doesn't have to be like this.
How else would you rather I do it? Afam, I have begged you. We have fought about this. We have talked, and now I've lost a child. Because of her.
Well, I can't do this without you. I need you. Please, don't go. Don't leave me.
I'm not leaving you. Afam, I need to clear my head and have someone take care of me for a change.
I understand. But promise me. Promise me you'll be back. What are you doing here?
Is there supposed to be a greeting? Where is Alama?
She's not here. She went to see her people.
What did you do to her? How can you be so cruel and wicked? To the extent that you want to hurt an innocent child? Why are you so mean?
What in the name of the gods are you talking about?
Stop pretending like you don't know what I'm talking about.
Speak, you fool.
The Dibia said she was poisoned. And she is still alive because she's carrying a child. The Dibia saved her. But we lost our only child. An innocent child.
I know what you think of me. But I did not do anything to her. I can be anything, but not a murderer.
Then what happened?
I do not know. But I know for the fact that she hates me enough to hurt herself and blame me for it.
Oloma,
Hello.
you recite for sore eyes.
Stop it, Oluchukwu.
Stop.
Hmm?
When I've not even started. So where are you going?
I'm off to the markets.
Market? You're a palace maid. Your place should be by the side of the princess.
Yes, that's true. But since the queen realized she rarely goes out with me, so to make me useful, she decided to make me a household maid.
But that is... That is the reason I get to see you outside the palace. I think the gods are trying to tell us something.
Yes, they're trying to say we should stay away from each other.
But that is not what I'm hearing.
But seriously, Elu, what are you playing at? What is your plan?
I do not have any plan yet. But I do know how I feel about you.
How you feel about me could get you killed. You don't want to mess with Akubu.
I am not afraid of her.
You should be.
I hate that you are going to stay here all by yourself, with no one to care for you.
My princess, I am a man, and I can take care of myself.
I know. I know. If you need anything, do not hesitate to come to the palace or send someone to me.
Of course. I will do just that.
I'll see you.
Take care.
Wow, I appreciate. Yeah, thank you. What? Why are you staring at me like that?
I don't even know. Look at me. I think there's something in your eye.
What?
You want me to bring her for you?
Let it be. The snake will meet me at the palace. What is it? What? Let go of me! Let me go! What did I do? Let me go! You people should untie me.
Come on, will you keep quiet?
Untie me! Untie me, please. I didn't do anything. You are not just a whore, but also a liar. That is who you are.
Oh, my princess, I didn't do
Don't you dare call me your princess. You useless thing. You think I would not find out? You think I wouldn't know that you are sleeping with Zelojuku? Is that what you think?
No, my princess,
I didn't do anything, please. I didn't do anything.
Shut up!
My princess so bad. Please, I didn't do anything.
You are useless. You don't have a single shame. No atom of shame. How? That is what you are. That's what you are. Afogo! Afogo! What is it? Why have you tied your maid under the tree? Afogo. No! I'm talking to you. What is it?
She is sleeping with Elochukwu.
What?
No, Your Highness, that's not true. That is not true, Your Highness.
I saw her on my way.
Your Highness, that is not true, please.
Are you calling me a liar?
No, I didn't do anything.
How dare you? Are you sick?
Your Highness, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
But that is not enough reason for you to soil your hands. Give her to the guards. Let them handle her. While we watch. Yes, we watch.
What?
Your Highness, please, I didn't do
Deal with her.
anything. Please, I didn't do anything. Your Highness, please.
Very well.
My princess. My princess, please, I'm innocent. Please, I'm innocent.
Get out.
My princess.
Get out.
My princess.
Get out.
My princess, please. I have a sick brother and an aging mother.
You should have thought about this before opening your useless legs.
I have a sick brother and an aging mother who depends on me, please.
Oh, really? I'm happy. I mean, I am glad to hear that you are not the only one that will suffer for your sins. Leave. Get out of my sight before I call the guys to flog you again. Get out! Get out! Why are you wasting my time? Out! Useless lady.
I thank the gods for exposing Elochukwu. I do not have to marry a weakling anymore.
What are you talking about, Ahugo?
Father, I am explaining to you how Elochukwu betrayed me. Haven't you been listening to me?
I heard everything you said. But do you think he's the one that betrayed you when you have been treating him like a non-entity? Do you know how many times Elo have been here looking for you when you are gone doing what you're doing? And Oloma will be here to feed and cater for him.
Father, is this what it is? Is that it? You are choosing those charlatans over your daughter, your princess, the heir to the throne. Is that it?
I cannot choose them over you because I am not deluded enough to pretend I don't know I am the one that made you what you are with love. I think we will get Elochukwu to apologize to you so that we will get over all the ordeals and then move forward towards your marriage with him.
What? No, Father. I would not marry him. Not after everything he did to me. I won't.
But you have to get married.
Yes, I will get married, but not him. No.
To whom then? Tell me, to who? Don't tell me you still have your eyes on that boy, Afamefuna. Yes. You think I don't know the games you have been playing with him? I allowed it because it's kept you busy and then took away the attention of the people on the rumors around you. But you are taking it too far.
Father, he is the one I want. I love him.
Are you insane? He is married.
Then help me get him. You are the king. You have the power to do the undo. Please.
His wife will not give him up. Look for someone else to marry.
For something you did not do. Hey, what do we do now? How do we feed?
Mama, don't worry, okay? I'll find something, okay?
I'll have to look for an ointment to rub
Mama,
this thing.
stop.
So that it will not leave ugly scars.
Stop.
Ndo.
Mama.
Greetings.
No.
Hello, Ma. What happened to you? Who did this to you?
What are you doing here? How dare you show your face here? After everything I've endured because of you.
No. Mba, don't be like that. No, go. Come here. Biko, don't distress her any further.
No, Mama, I will not. Thank you. Olo, what happened? I went to the palace to look for you and I was told you no longer work there.
You went to the palace in search of me? Are you crazy?
I don't know. I needed to see you. I missed you, Mama. Olo, tell me what happened. I need to know everything. Talk to me. Please. Hola. You're home.
Yes, dear Mama.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
I can see your family has taken good care of you.
Yes, it's actually my mother's magical acid.
So tell me, did you bring any phone?
No, but she gave me the recipe.
Oh, I see. I can work with that. Let's go inside.
What do you think?
Be patient, my princess. Be patient.
Am I?
Yes. You're with a child.
Do you have to go?
This summer, it's like you don't want to eat.
Of course I want to. Okay, you can go, but promise me you're going to be back on time. I don't want you to go to the market and start gossiping with work.
I won't.
I know you.
I won't, I promise.
Promise.
Yeah, see you soon.
I'll be waiting for you here.
Bye-bye.
Come back on time. I'll be waiting for you here. Princess.
Afam.
Can we do this some other time? My wife is back and I don't want any trouble.
Well, I'm not here for that. I came to tell you that I am with your child. Your child. Did you hear what I said?
I heard what you said. But they're not making any sense to me.
I said, I am going to bear your child. And we need to do something about it.
What do you want us to do about it, Princess? I am a married man. And you're about to get married.
No, I'm not getting married to Elo. It's not working.
So how is the princess supposed to marry a nobody? You're a princess, I'm a nobody.
So what if the princess do not want you to be a nobody?
No. No, I can't do that to my wife. She hasn't done anything to deserve such. I love my wife, I can't. I'm sorry.
The princess wants to make a nobody somebody. But he would rather remain a nobody. Isn't that funny?
Please, I don't want to just...
Shut up. Just shut up. I'm going to leave you at the moment. Because I have some things to do. But this conversation is far from over.
What am I going to tell my wife?
Afam.
Again?
What is it? You've been so quiet since I came back from the market. Guanom, what is it? What happened?
Ola, I don't know what happened at your parents' place. But you came back as the maiden that I fell in love with and married. And for the very first time, in a long time, I am enjoying our marriage.
I am too.
I don't know how I'm going to say this. But if I don't say it, you will find out anyways.
What happened? What are you talking about?
The princess. She was here earlier today.
No, you didn't.
No. She didn't come for that. She came to tell me that she's pregnant.
Isigini! Afam!
Ola, please, calm down.
How do you expect me to calm down? When that girl has sworn to destroy my life and everything I hold there? What does she want you to do? Because you're not getting married to her, you know that.
I already told her that.
Good. She's getting married to Elochukwu. They can raise the child as theirs. That's if she's pregnant. Because I don't believe a word that comes out of her mouth.
Ola, please, sit down. Sit.
What a witch. What have we done to deserve this misfortune? Out of all the men she has slept with in this village, why does she keep coming back for mine?
Ola, I didn't tell you this to upset you. But I needed you to hear it from me, and not her.
Thank you for telling me.
You're not mad?
I am mad.
I understand.
Ndo,
Mm.
I take. Just eat, so that you take your medicine, so you'll be fine. Just once you're done with this one, I will not give you again. Take. You'll be fine. So you just eat so that you'll be able to take your medicine. Hello.
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 What are you doing here?
You have to stop acting surprised whenever I come to see you.
But I'm surprised.
I brought you this. I know it's not much, but I have to help the best way that I can.
Hello, you shouldn't have. This is too much.
Oloma, please don't turn it down. I want you to have them. Please.
But you're managing too.
It doesn't matter. I know I am not wealthy, but I want to take care of you. Please let me take care of you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Alright, come and sit.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Igwe, may you live long and may your reign be peaceful.
Shall be well with you, my daughter.
Thank you, Your Highness. I have something important I need to tell you.
Speak.
Akugo told my husband that she's pregnant with his child.
What?
Yes, Your Highness. The princess wants to have the child of a married man when she's not married. Igwe, this is an abomination. It shouldn't be heard of, let alone allowed to happen.
This cannot be true.
I think so too. Because she won't be that stupid.
Watch your mouth!
I'm sorry, Igwe. I didn't mean that. I just thought I should let you know so you can guide her on making the right decision. Igwe, I will take my leave now.
Can go.
Dad! Your Highness!
Get me Akugo immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
How dare she? How dare she come in here?
Tell me Akugo. Tell me you have not brought the ultimate shame to our family name. Oh, may the gods forbid. How can I be cursed with such a child like you?
Oh, Father, I haven't done anything that cannot be fixed.
How do you intend fixing it?
By having him marry me.
Having him marry you?
Yes, Father.
Hey, Akugo, so you want to become a second wife? Oh, how has the mighty fallen?
No, Father, that is not true. I do not intend to be a second wife.
And what is your plan? Because that his loud-mouthed wife can never leave that place. You can't leave him!
I don't know what the plan is, but I'll think of something.
No! Just all you need to do is to stay in this palace. Don't go anywhere again and let me fix whatever that is fixable. Do you hear me? Is that clear?
Yes, Father.
Now leave my presence. Out!
Exactly who I wanted to see. How dare you? How dare you come to the palace and make a fool of yourself?
No. You are the one who came to my house and made a fool of yourself.
You're stupid. You think this is a joke? You think it's some childish play? Is that what you think?
Says a spoiled brat who toys with people's lives like it's a game. You are nothing but an entitled little...
foolish. Are you insane?
Is that all you can do? You can slap me for all I care, but I will never bow to you. I am not afraid of you.
You better be. Because I am going to your hut to throw your things out. You will leave Avam's house today. Today!
Over my dead body. If you want Avam, you have to kill me first.
I killed her.
Wait! What is it? What has my daughter done? Eh? Who did this to you?
She did this to herself when she decided to commit murder.
Yes! You must die! Igwe. What is... Your Highness. I am the man. She murdered his wife. What?
Liar! Liar! That is who you are. My daughter cannot do it, and she do not murder anyone. I will make sure that I punish you severely for lying against my daughter.
I saw her do it. Huh? Yes, Your Majesty. Your Highness, we saw her. She was arguing with her when she collected the dagger from the guard and stabbed her. Huh?
Yes. What?
Yes. What?
Your Majesty, we, the people of Amachala, have endured great injustice in the hands of the princess. We have been treated worse than cattle.
Yes.
We believe that since our body is the only thing that is being abused, that no actual harm was done. That is why we are all here today. It hurts me that it is my own Olama who was brave in the eyes of injustice, that has paid the ultimate sacrifice for justice to be served. Your daughter must die!
Yes!
No, she will not.
Please, good people of Amachara, please, I know my daughter.
Yes. Your Majesty, you know our custom, our tradition demands a life for a life. Since she has taken the life of my wife, so shall hers be cut short.
Yes! No!
She must die!
No! Yes! No! She will not. She is the heir to the throne. Stop this madness. Else!
But
stop it!
Is it true?
It is not true.
Your Highness, that is the tradition. That is the tradition.
But our tradition is our tradition. The law is the law. Even the king is not above the law.
Yes.
If she has done this, then let the law take its course.
Get her! Princess, get her! No, my king, please. This is only what we have, my king, please. My king, please. Princess Imelaro! Princess Imelaro! Princess Imelaro!
tradition.
Yes. Open your eyes. I am here. Akwam. Hey!
Wait, so.
Hey!
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
Good day, my prince.
It's really a good day.
Can I help my prince with anything? I doubt I can be of any real help, seeing as I am a poor pregnant widow.
I know you. What I want from you is what money cannot buy. It's that thing that the gods gave you to satisfy me, Prince Lotana.
I don't understand what you mean, my prince.
You don't understand. You understand. You will.
Oh, my prince, please, my prince, what are you doing? Please.
Come.
Please. My prince,
How?
Help! 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 Help!
how can you do this to a woman? A poor widow like me, whose husband died fighting your father's war.
You should be flattered that I found you attractive to me, Prince Lotana.
I'm bleeding.
You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine.
How are you this fine? Have you no soul?
Watch your tone, woman.
Oh, I curse you, Lotana, son of Ikenta. I curse you and your entire generation. Every fruit you bear will be rotten. Your generation will live and die with you. Every child you bear will be rotten. They will bring you pains and agony. Just as I watch life drain out of me, so shall you sit and watch your loved ones cut down in their prime.
Whatever wish.
Something good has to come out of this great tragedy today. And it is you, Elochukwu. and Uloma, today I bless your union. Today, I crown you the king of Amachara. Today. May you rule in wisdom and bring prosperity to Amachara.
What do you think we are doing, my king? Do you think I will allow this to happen? Do you think that I will allow this to happen, Igwe?
Woman, it is not for you to allow. I am the king. Whoever I give my crown is the one that will wear it. And that is our tradition. Hello, Chukwu. You and Uloma shall rule Amachara in peace. Guards!
Yes, sir.
Take my daughter's body and bury her beside my mother's grave.
Hey, no.
As you wish, sir.
No, my king, please.
No! No! No, 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 no! Leave her for me, please! Leave her for me! No! No, my God! No! 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 No, 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 no! No! No, please, leave her for me! Please! 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 No, 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 please. Bring her back to me, oh! Bring her back to me, oh! Bring her back to me.
My king, you think you took a right decision, but I must tell you that your decision was irrational. You took it out of heartbreak, but our heart is full of. Our heart is full of. Hey, no! No! My king! My king! Madonna! Hey! Please, Maggie, don't do this to me. Oh, we have lost it. I've lost it. Mikey, please don't do this to me. Lotana, please, wake up, open your eyes. You cannot leave me here alone, please. Please, oh, Chimo.
It is very hard to believe that our king has come to be with our ancestors. But the gods are wise.
Yes.
They are wise because they know everything. Hello, Chuku, my son. A great responsibility has been given to you. I hope you are ready to handle it perfectly.
Oh no, I will try my best. it saddens my heart that the king is no more. But we cannot question the gods. As his successor, I will make sure his name is remembered. Igwe was such a great king, and as such will be given a befitting funeral so he can rest peacefully with the gods.
You say, sir?
In the meantime, I need more eyes on Queen Ojugo. She has been through a lot in a very short time. She needs to be looked after with utmost love, care, and attention.
Elochukwu, you have spoken very well. As the true son of this kingdom. That is why our late king, Lotana, chose you.
And he made the perfect choice in him for the people of Amachala Kingdom.
You are right. You are right.
Well, I know the kingdom is still mourning. But as we make preparation for the king's burial, we also need to make preparation for your coronation, because the throne cannot remain empty for so long. Our people need their king. And seeing you ascend the throne is a source of hope, a source of relief, especially in this critical time. We trust you. As in Ihana Chonukenu, Kafuzikwa no Kana.
Thank you. You are capable, thank you.
Now that the king has been buried and the mourning days are over, I shall be crowned the next king of Amachala Kingdom in the next Afro Market Day. I have decided that our marriage ceremony will take place on that same day because I need my queen by my side to rule this kingdom.
Hey! Oh! Gods of our land! Who am I that you should bless and honor me this way? I, Ijoma, a poor widow, dejected, a mother of a queen? Hey! You have heard my cry and you have wiped the tears away from my face. I thank you, my gods. Hello, Chukwu. I thank you, my king. Igwe! Igwe, may your reign be blessed. Igwe, may your reign be prosperous. Igwe, may you live long for us. Igwe!
You're welcome, Mama. Please sit. As soon as we move into the palace, I would like you and Ndubisi to also move in there. Because I need Ndubisi to be taken care of by the best DBS.
Hey! Me! Nandunka! Mbili no bieze! Mwa Ijoma! And I'm all of them look okay. Not waka loka. To kana mumbo. Hey! Hiyaga.
Mama!
Hey! Amo! Oh!
It's fine, Mama. We're family now, and it is my responsibility to take care of you. And I shall do that to the fullest.
I don't know how else to thank you. I don't know how to thank you. You don't know what you have done for us. You don't know. You really don't know. The gods of our land will prosper you. Your reign will be blessed. You will be a great king. Now and forever. Beyond here, your name will reign all over the places. Hey! Igwe!
Thank you so much, Mama.
I heard this one.
Okay, I have to take my leave now, and I have a meeting with the elders at the palace.
Oh, so what do
Okay, Mama. I shall see you.
Okay.
Let me see.
See him off. See him off.
I'm coming.
Oh. Hey. Onye kambu. Hey! Chukwakete. Gods of our land. Ijoma. What did you do?
Franklin, I hope you like the dress and the beads for the ceremony.
Yes, they are fine.
Someone doesn't sound really excited.
It's not like I'm not excited. The dresses are beautiful, but it doesn't excite me as much as the fact that I'm going to be your wife and spending the rest of my life with you. It's something I'm really looking forward to.
I want you to know you are the best of the gifts the gods have honored me with. Your heart is so pure. Your love is everything. You're my home, my crown. And I bless the day our paths crossed. And I promise to always love and honor you for the rest of my life.
Alone. Words alone cannot describe how much you mean to me. I hope to show you daily with my love. I love you so much, my king.